gain knowledge through reading. Martin Luther King. Martin Luther King was born on 15 January 1929 in Atlanta, Georgia, United States. He was admired for non-violence and always encouraged people to be polite and keeps the weapons aside. Initially, his name was Michael and his father was a pastor at Atlanta's Ebenezer Baptist Church. He was just 15 when he started his college education and he completed his degree in sociology. Luther was imprisoned more than 25 times and during the civil rights for acts of civil disobedience. His mother was also shot dead by a shooter. Martin Luther King was an American activist, minister, and humanitarian. Also, he had worked for several other causes and actively participated in many protests and boycotts. He was a peaceful man that has faith in Christian beliefs and non-violence. Also, his inspiration for them was the work of Mahatma Gandhi and Nelson Mandela. For his work in the field of civil rights, the Nobel Committee awarded him the Nobel Peace Prize. He was just 35 years old when he received Nobel and one of the youngest at that time. There is a national holiday in his name and Luther is the only non-president to hold this honor. Martin Luther King was a great man who dedicated his whole life for his community. He was born to spread the message of brotherhood and love not only in his nation but in the entire world. It was due to his contribution that the African American got their civil rights. He is an inspiration and although he is dead, his thoughts are still alive between us. Let's find some meanings. Protest, humanitarian, reputation, boycotts. Protest, a strong complaint expressing disagreement, disapproval or opposition. Humanitarian, a person who is involved in or connected with improving people's lives and reducing suffering. Reputation, the opinion that people in general have about someone or something or how much respect or admiration someone or something receives based on past behavior or character. Boycotts, to refuse to take part in an activity as a way of expressing strong disapproval. Do you like this video? If you like this video, please put a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.